Did you know 80 million Americans unwittingly suffer from healthcare illiteracy? With this statistic in mind, we have to ask ourselves, how did this number get so high? Well, as the healthcare system became more complex, many people were left behind, struggling to navigate their own care. This issue has grown over time, creating serious consequences for both individuals and the healthcare system. Healthcare illiteracy now contributes to an annual cost of $106 to $238 billion, driven by medication misuse, rehospitalizations, unnecessary appointments, and avoidable trips to the emergency room. If you think that this statistic won't pertain to you, think again. It averages to over $7,000 of out-of-pocket expenses for those with a chronic condition each year, not to mention the emotional toll, loss of work, and additional strain it puts on our loved ones. With that said, Patient Better found a solution and created a program that will advance the average health consumer's ability to manage their health care and transform them from a confused, overwhelmed recipient in care to a confident, informed, and capable advocate.